Way to Edmonton. Finally. Had an awesome morning this morning. Finally had the bears hit the bait, and it's gonna be a kind of a hard week for me to leave. I'm usually sitting there every night with the bears, and now we're going turkey hunting, so this better be fun. I can hardly wait to take the one-day turkey course. I think that's funny.
And luggage.
We got 4 hours sleep. I probably did. You probably heard me snore all that last night.
Yeah, I got a good solid hour.
We made it through the checkout counter. Cody got busted packing paraphernalia. I got some porn for the trip. Oh, there's your bow. We don't really want your bow. There we go. We got our luggage.
The first thing Donnie does when he gets to Ontario is go to the workplace of his good friend Paul.
Nice to meet you. Okay. Just give me the number that is.
Donnie! What are you doing down here?
I'm killing turkeys, my man.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Buckshot, let's get that bow together.
Okay. Look at the people coming for the turkey course. Ontario's hot for hunting turkeys, I'll tell you. Good morning, sir.
Where you been?
You come here often?
Not very.
He's heading turkey hunting. What do we need to load up?
You want that face paint?
Yes.
You have a decoy?
I got 2. You got decoys? You got the strutting turkey?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We left this morning, 4 o'clock, to get over to Paul's. We just met Paul. We're just going to head into the spot where he's got the turkeys all pegged out. He watched them run into the roost last night. We're hoping to have a good morning. We're just going to head in there now and get set up and hopefully hear them gobble. Well, day one, we just had 2 Jakes and a Tom. Very good Tom, he had about a 5-inch beard, but they were gonna leave those hens for nothing. We're heading to another place right now. If we'd had more time, we'd probably play to these a little more, but we're going somewhere else. We just went through we got lost, and then we locked the keys in the truck, and Lorianne saved us. So now we're back in hunting mode. We're gonna head down in here. They tell us there's a big Tom down in here somewhere. So we're gonna head down here, do a couple sets, and maybe we can drag him out of there where the hens are nested and laying eggs. So it's supposed to be a big boy. We had a turkey gobble down in this ravine somewhere. So well, we seen some birds yesterday. Heard birds early in the morning. Tried calling them. They went the other way. We had a gobbler at about 250 yards. We went to move in closer. Busted. See you later. So now we're heading to a different spot this morning. Hopefully things are going to pan out. We got a master guide. We got our GPS in the back. And I switched hats. Should be a good morning. Got the decoys up. We had Jody, the farm owner, and Ronnie, the farm owner. They put us 2 bales here last night, or yesterday afternoon, and we made this blind. So I'm just gonna get settled in and just wait for the turkeys to gobble, and hopefully we get lucky today. So far, the blind hasn't worked out that great. I had one nice Tom come across. He I thought he was coming. And he just, see you later. We'll just hold tight for a couple more hours. We just put up a new blind. We got the decoys up again. They've been feeding here just about every night. So we're just gonna hang tight. I've seen the gobbler and the hens every afternoon between 4 and 6:30 right here. So I don't think he's too far away. We called that turkey from about a mile away. I wouldn't say a mile, half a mile. He come in right to 40 yards. But he didn't like my setup for some reason. That's his one in. There's usually 2 or 3 here with a big gobbler. We're just getting set up here. We're getting down to 2 night. I called one in yesterday morning. This morning they didn't want to come. We got us a shotgun. They've been out here in the evenings. We got here too late last night. They were already out in the midfield.
Finally, it looks like Donnie's gonna get his chance at one of these nice big toms. But just like that, the hens decide to lead the toms in another direction. The boys go home empty-handed. This time.
Welcome to Ontario, folks. Just rented a tan van. Now if we can find our way out of this airport, watch out turkeys. Probably about another 45 minutes out of Belleville. We're 3 days early this year, and hopefully we're gonna go try find some coyotes and then scout the turkeys for 3 days early, so I don't get my butt whooped again like I did last year when I was here. Everybody thinks turkey hunting's boring and easy. It's 4:30 in the morning. We're just going scouting today. We got a whole 5-6 days ahead of us, so we're gonna head out, do some scouting, and find Thor. Thor the turkey.
Hey, baby, wanna ride?
You got a Red Bull? I heard they give you wings! Here, hold that. I tipped you. They're strutting in the tree. 3 days away, they're still gobbling. Surely we'll be granted a turkey this time. Mike and I, we just got in here. We're gonna set up the blind. It's probably about 5 o'clock. We haven't heard the gobblers yet, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna, so just hold on till daylight, folks. We got in the blind. We're set up perfect. There was 3 gobblers over here gobbling all morning. And we're just gonna sit tight and hopefully they move their way through the woods into these spots.
First turkey. Oh, no. Didn't seem to take very long at all. That's incredible. I wonder how the other guys are doing today. Pretty sure the bird's down. This is awesome. This bird. This is a really, really nice bird. These are the spurs they warn you about at the turkey course to make sure that they don't rip you up. I can see why they can do so much damage. They're just incredible. I mean, I came here wanting to shoot my first male turkey. And I was willing to shoot a Jake. But this Tom came out. Look at that beard. That is incredible. I am so excited. I just don't even know what to say. This is an incredible bird. Nice beard. I mean, he's got a beautiful, beautiful tail. Saw him strutting there before I shot him, but he is just an amazing bird. Well, gotta give thanks to my cameraman, Ben. He's been incredible this week, taking us scouting and letting us stay at his house. And then he brought me out for my first bird. I can't thank him enough. This is amazing. Suppose put the tag on him, and we'll go back and check out how the other guys did this morning. Thanks for being with us, and remember, folks, keep it real. Yeah, baby.
What's that?
Woo! Check this out. He is ginormous Tom. He's got a beard like this.
Right on.
Walking in, come to a fence, trip over the fence, and fall down. So I give Ben
Where's
the
your
gun.
headlamp?
Oh no, I could see it. I just couldn't keep my balance chair. So then when he's like, okay, get ready, because the Tom's like 50 yards out. And I thought it was too far to shoot. And he's like, shoot him, because he started clocking. He was going to take off.
No.
It was awesome. Now you got a full-time camera woman. I'm so excited. Did you hear? You probably heard us shoot over there.
Pretty much heard everybody shoot this morning.
Except Donnie?